Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. Just wanted to let you know that I finished grading your first discussion board, the video introductions, and wanted to give you a little bit of feedback. Overall, most of you did very well. But I want to remind you, especially since we're having this second discussion board, make sure that you go into the discussion board and print off the grading rubric. That grading rubric should be your guide, especially in terms of timelines. Please don't wait until the due date to post all of your posts or you're not going to score all the points. The idea behind the discussion board is to create a discussion. So when you look at the rubric, you're going to see that there are several dates. There is a first date, a date for you to post your initial posting, and the rubric also tells you what is expected in terms of content for that discussion board post. I also posted an example of a post for a first post, what I'm expecting. Then there's a second date, and that second date is the due date. But if you look in the rubric, I'm asking you to post prior to that due date so that folks can discuss. And so please go out to the rubric and look at the timelines for that and schedule that accordingly. There's also a sample response that I've posted for you. So it's kind of a guideline for what I'm expecting for your responses. But overall, it was really great meeting you. It looked like a really great group. I'm excited that you're in our class. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend.